Hello there friends, it's Evelyn here. Welcome back to the channel and a huge thank you to you all for your continued support of this little creative corner on YouTube. Sleepy again, Luna? Yeah? I cannot believe that it is already August. Summer is well on its way, and summer here at Adore Towers means one main thing, and that is festivals and the cosplay costumes that we wear at those festivals. In particular, my favourite festival, the Belladrum Tartan Heart Festival here in the Scottish Highlands. And I am so excited to say that for the third year, I'm going to be doing street performing there with my beautiful daughter and my burlesque troupe, the Adorettes. Really super excited for this festival. So this month I thought I would take you on a little journey, my friends, to show you how I create the cosplay outfits that we wear to perform at the festival, and take you on a little festival journey too at the same time. And this week, for the first week of that, I'm going to show you how I create my costume for this year's festival, which is Velma from Scooby-Doo. So without further ado, let's get to some cosplay costume creating, my friends. You okay? Yeah? But first, as Luna has just reminded me, grab yourself a cuppa, my friends. As always. Cup of tea, Luna? Yeah, I fancy a cuppa. Why not? Here is our inspiration for this cosplay, Velma Dinkley, who first came onto our screens when Scooby-Doo premiered in 1969. As with most of my creations, my friends, I started by creating a sketch. Not only does this help me get creativity flowing, it also gets my mind thinking about how to create the costume, and it's also been a great activity during my recovery and on my more difficult health days. To the fabric stash, where this gorgeous bright red scuba crepe was begging to be Velma's skirt. But because this cosplay is going to be used in a dance performance, I did want a bit more coverage than a usual simple skirt. Enter the Jane set by Charm Patterns, and if you've been with me here on the channel for a while now, you'll know how much I love this pattern. And the shorts with the sarong overskirt option was just the perfect pattern here. Easy to sew, this garment came together really quickly, and the only alteration I made was to make the short legs a little bit longer. Now onto that famous turtleneck, and I grabbed this super soft breathable ponte fabric in a stunning shade of orange. Perfect for Velma and cool enough to perform in. Perfect. For the pattern here, there was only one thing for it, the Barbie top from Gertie's World on Patreon. A super quick sew, I can have a Barbie top created in under an hour. Firstly sewing the darts, then creating the sleeves and mock turtleneck pieces before attaching them and joining the bodice pieces at the side seams. This cosplay is a super cost-effective one, and you can create these items for as little as £10 in sewing materials. For additional props, all you really need are some long orange socks and those square framed glasses. I would usually just coif my hair into a faux bob to play Velma, but my hair is just far too long now to manage that, so a wig it is. And if you fancy it, a magnifying glass wouldn't go amiss either. Reveal time. I'm super happy with how this cosplay has turned out. The fabrics I chose are so soft and comfy too, which is going to make playing Velma a blast. To see this costume in action, my friends, keep your eyes peeled on the channel right here for a festival vlog coming soon. So there we go, my friends, how I created my very own Velma Dinkley cosplay. Very cost effective and very easy sewing to boot. Please be sure to stick around here on the channel, my friends, and if you haven't done so already, hit that all important subscribe button. I'll be back next week with more festival hijinks, and stick around on the channel soon to see even more cosplay creations. But until next week, take care, stay safe, friends. You know the drill. Bye. Should we dress you up as Scooby Loons? What do you think? Yeah.